1 Minute German Lesson 7.
Hallo, it's Julia here, your German teacher, bringing you 1 Minute German from the Radiolingua network. Each lesson of 1 Minute German teaches you a few words and phrases in 60 seconds. Last lesson you learned to introduce yourself. In lesson 7, you'll learn how to say it's nice to meet someone. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember how to say my name is? I would say ich heiße Julia. When you meet someone, it's only polite to say that it's nice to meet them. Listen to this phrase in German. It's quite long, so I'll say it slowly. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Listen again. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Try it one more time. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Now that's how you would say it's nice to meet someone in a formal situation. In an informal situation, you change it slightly. You would say, Es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Try repeating that. Es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Listen again to the difference between the two phrases. Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. So for formal, you use Sie, and for informal in this case, you would use dich. So maybe your German-speaking friend could help you with your German. Listen to this phrase. Kannst du mir mehr Deutsch beibringen? It means, can you teach me more German? Try saying it after me. I'll say it slowly. Kannst du mir mehr Deutsch beibringen? One more time. Kannst du mir mehr Deutsch beibringen? Time's up, and once again I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned in this lesson will go down well with your German-speaking friends or business colleagues. That's all for today. Danke und tschüss!
This is a production of the Radiolingua network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.